During deep sleep, your brain literally shrinks by 60%. Not damaging itself. Cleaning itself. And if you skip sleep, the cleaning does not happen. The trash piles up. Literally. Sleep is not just rest. It is active maintenance. Your brain produces metabolic waste all day. Beta amyloid, tau proteins, free radicals. Without proper sleep, these accumulate. Beta amyloid plaques are a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. One night of poor sleep increases beta amyloid by 5%. Chronic sleep deprivation equals accelerated brain aging. You are literally getting dumber when you do not sleep. The glymphatic system was discovered in 2012 by Dr. Maiken Nedergaard at University of Rochester. It is the brain's waste clearance system. During deep sleep, glial cells shrink by 60%. This allows cerebrospinal fluid to flush through brain tissue at 10 times the daytime rate. It clears beta amyloid, tau, and metabolic debris. A 2018 science study showed that one night of sleep deprivation increased beta amyloid by 5% in the hippocampus and thalamus. Your brain cleans itself while you sleep. Skip sleep, skip the cleaning. Protect deep sleep. No caffeine after 2 p.m. Half-life is 6 hours. No alcohol within 3 hours of bed. It destroys REM sleep. Keep bedroom 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. If you snore, get tested for sleep apnea. It starves your brain of oxygen 30 or more times per hour. Tonight, set a go-to-bed alarm 30 minutes before your target sleep time. Treat sleep like the brain medicine it is. Sleep equals brain cleaning. Tomorrow, BDNF. The protein that grows new brain cells and how to boost it naturally.